In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily add a take profit and stop loss to your open position on the platform Phemex. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Phemex, make sure to go down to the video description and click on the first link. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $4,800 of welcome bonuses. As you can see up here, I'm currently using the demo trading feature. I highly recommend you, after you've signed up, that you first try out the features on the platform by going up here to contract and then down here click on mock trading. Then you will get to this demo trading platform. If you sign up with the link down from the video description, you will also automatically get some demo funds right here that you can use to fully try out the platform without having to use your own money. So to add a take profit or stop loss, you have basically two options. The first option is to immediately add it when you open your position. So to do that is, if you go here on the right and you open your first long trade, $10,000 position size, you can simply click on here. You want to add a take profit and stop loss for long or short. In this case, I'm going to show how it works for long, and then type in the prices you want to have them at. You can also click on advanced and then type in the percentage of profit or loss you want to make in here, or even the dollar amounts. In my case, I'm going to show you if I type in, for example, 30% profit and 7% loss, the price is right here automatically calculated and set in. And also you can see your potential profit and loss you would make at those prices. Once you're fine with that, just click on confirm. You will see they are both set up in here. And then if you click on open long, you will see that you opened your long position. Here's where we entered. Up here is our take profit, and down here is our stop loss. So that's the first option. You can immediately add them when you're opening your position. If you don't have that, let's say we click on X right here, cancel those orders. You can still add them later on. If you just scroll down here to TP and SL, click on here, you can still add a take profit and stop loss later on. So let's say we type in, let's say the 28% this time of profit, and let's say 6% of a loss. Click on confirm. You can add them later on too. And lastly, I also want to show you how you can edit them. So if you just click on here, you can of course click on edit and switch up those numbers. So let's say I want to make 24% profit and 7% loss, confirm, and I can edit those numbers at any time. Also, what you can do is, as you can see, this is right now an entire position. You can also say a partial take profit or stop loss. If you want to use them, then only a part, for example, half of the position would be closed. So you can set multiple take profits where each, for example, 1/3 is closed if you have 3, or if you have 2, one half here, the second half here. However you would like, you can still do that as well. Don't forget to create an account by using the link down from the video description to get up to $4,800 of welcome bonuses. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.